Hi. Hi. This is Marty from the Dougherty Garden. Today's next plant for the video is the Pygmy Date palm tree. These are young seedlings, and I had to take a closer look at the seeds that didn't germinate right next to them, and I believe they were all, and you can tell there from the look of the leaves, but there's more. The leaves are, I guess, what they were called dainty, because the Pygmy Date palm has dainty leaves compared to the other portion of the Phoenix series, which this is part of the Phoenix series of palm trees. And it's a nice little plant. It's not a fast grower and not a tall grower, so it's something you can use in your canopy. I had one for years in the backyard, but I planted it next to a few other palm trees. Let me see, it was a coconut palm tree and a solitaire palm tree, both which tend to climb into the sky. So at some point in time, they just basically dwarfed the pygmy plant. So when you dwarf the trees, especially palm trees, they more or less reach or go out of their way to or bend. I have a Christmas palm tree in front of the house that is actually bent about 2 to 3 feet to try and get past the canopy of the Washingtonian and the cabbage palm tree, because it was not getting sufficient sun. So plants will do that, but apparently this one was not successful, so they eventually just stopped growing efficiently as it was. So I have said, okay, it's time to pull them out of the ground rather than have a sick looking palm tree. But these are baby pygmy palm trees, known description as the palm PS15. 15 is the number for the pygmy. So please like the video, subscribe to the channel. Any questions, we're all ears. Anything you can tell me about the pygmy palm tree, it's all left in the comments. We'd like to share. We just saw the Dougherty Garden in South Florida on Facebook, so we're going to share all the pictures and all the videos that I have taken over the years down here, so you can see a bunch of little goodies and a lot of plants that haven't grown in such a long time. But that's it. Stop and enjoy the green. Bye bye.